Who would have thought? Just a simple cleaning, a professional cleaning. And what did it say, 19 years?
Yeah, I mean, the kitchen looks so much better.
Yes, ma'am. Well, I'm glad that you hired me. And what was the main reason, Judy, I'm just asking that you gave me the opportunity?
It was a very interesting, I mean, I kind of looked into floor cleaning just briefly, but then I started reading what you were doing, and then that other thing you did, and you know, you had great, consistent reviews.
Thank you. So you read the reviews and you did your research. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about. Well, Miss Judy, well, thank you so much.
It may take me a couple days
Yep.
to review up, but
I can't wait. All right, guys, May the 8th, we just got to our second project of the day. This is out here in Roswell, the residence of Miss Judy and her husband, Roberto. So, guys, I came out here, did a paid consultation. The reason why, they didn't know if the floors needed to be sanded, screened, or recoated, or just clean. So, when I came out here, did a demonstration, they decided to go with the clean and buff. This is a pre-finished bamboo floor, and it's a very, very hard, durable floor. So, let me show you guys what we're doing. It's about a little bit over 1,200 square feet. We do the clean and buff at $1.50 per square foot. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so we just left Swanee, did the screen and recoat. Customer was very, very happy. So we're out here in this beautiful home in Roswell, and and like I said, a lot of my clients, once we get here, they leave or they get out the way. And let me show you guys. So this is a bamboo floor, pre-finish. The floor can be sanded. They wanted to avoid that as much as possible. So if you guys look really close, you see these dark lines. See right here? That is what I cleaned. I just did a little sample by hand, and it's just basically just a lot of dirt and grime that just has been pushed in the seams of the boards. And what we're gonna do is scrub these floors really good and extract them. All right, so what all we're doing, guys, is here, this kitchen. Also had a few more leads come in for wood floors. A lady just texted me her information. She's in Alpharetta. She was actually referred to me by a real estate agent. She's putting her house on the market, and I'm gonna be looking at her floors next Tuesday afternoon, because I have a screen and recoat to do in Swanee, and then go look at her floors. All right, so in the clean and buff too, guys, this is the only service where the furniture does not have to be moved out, because we're not putting any topical products back on the floor. Through here, this little potty room, through here, and then going into their closet, bathroom, here, and here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Floors are coming out amazing. There's just a lot of dirt and debris and grime just in the seams of these floors. So let me go ahead and show you guys what we're doing. So we're treating and agitating with the Hydra Fresh LVC. Got some defoamer. There's a lot of residue on these floors. Not wax, just residue. And then we're also extracting, rinsing with good old squeaky clean. And then we're gonna post clean with ProCare ready to use citrus cleaner. So just giving this floor a good agitation. All right, and just to show you guys, see how it's black? Look at all that. That's all just dirt just coming out the seams of these boards. So you can kind of see what I've done already. That looks amazing. Using the HydroMaster Pex 500. Look at all that dirt, guys. I'm only using 200 PSI, but when I pull the trigger, it's probably dropping down to maybe 150. I was just showing my client, they can see such a huge difference. So if you look at this part right here, all right, now those, now you can really just see like the little gaps in between the boards. All right, now let's go over here and see the part that we're still extracting. And you can just still see, we've already done all this. You can still see all that dirt embedded into these areas, into these seams of the floor. All right, guys, so we're gonna finish extracting. All right, stay tuned. Done.
So are we able to immediately put our chair?
Oh yeah, yes ma'am. Because we didn't put any topical products back on it. This is just a clean buff. So guys, but yeah, you can walk on it.
Okay, let me.
Guys, these floors came out amazing. They are, man, you can really see how clean these floors are. Wow, 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 wow. All right, guys, so again, like I was just telling my client, when we don't do a, if we're not putting any poly back on the floor, again, you can put the furniture immediately back on the floor because there's nothing to cure. But yeah, man, these floors came out amazing. And wow. Yeah, this house is 19 years old, guys. This is a beautiful home. Has that nice modern style that I really like. I love these modern looking homes. Oh, wow. Beautiful backyard. Oh, that is beautiful. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. I am done for the rest of the week. We are starting to book up for next week. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.